friends, welcome to Success Edge. Today topic is safety and first aid. Accidents can happen at any time and place. You can avoid accidents by following certain safety rules. Rules of safety. Be alert. Be properly dressed. Avoid being overconfident or impatient. Some safety rules at home. First, open all doors and windows in and around the kitchen so that the gas spreads out. Second, do not operate any electrical switch as it may explode the gas. Third, if the oil in the pan catches fire, control the fire by covering the pan. Fourth, never leave the kitchen or bathroom floor wet. Someone may slip on it and get hurt. Fifth, electricity and water are dangerous. The current will spread to the water and anyone touching the water will get a shock. Some safety rules on the road. Keep to the left while walking on the road. Second, do not get into or out of a moving bus or train. Do not peep out of a moving vehicle. Third, play only in safe places like parks and playground, not on the road. Fourth, cross the road using subway or on the zebra crossing. Fifth, learn road signs and follow them. They inform you about the road and traffic. Fire safety. Electric fire. Switch off the mains. Throw sand or mud on the fire. Never use water in case of an electric fire. Petrol and kerosene fire. Throw lots of sand on fire. This will cut off the air supply and the fire will stop burning. First aid. First aid. First aid is the first help given to a wounded person. Remember the following before giving first aid. First, stay calm. Second, find out the type of injury and its cause. Third, be quick in giving first aid. Fourth, wash your hands before giving first aid. Fifth, send for a doctor if required. Sixth, do not do more than you know. Poisoning. Naphthalene balls, nail polish, detergents, etc. are poisonous if swallowed. These should be kept out of to reach the children. In case of poisoning, make the victim rise in his mouth and rush him to a doctor. Nosebleeds are common during the hot summer days. In case of nose bleeding, first, loosen the clothing around the neck. Second, sit upright with the head held back and arms folded above the head. Third, press the bleeding side of the nose familiarly with your fingers. Fourth, keep an ice pack or wet cloth on the nose and on the back of the neck. Fifth, breathe through your mouth. Do not blow your nose for a few hours after the bleeding stops. In case of heavy bleeding, take the help of a doctor. Fracture. A fracture is a crack in a bone. In case of a fracture, the victim is in great pain and is unable to move the broken limb. In case of a fracture, first keep the broken limb in a natural position. Second, use a split to give support to the broken limb. Third, a triangular piece of cloth can be used to make a sling. Fourth, tie a frame bandage around the joint. Keep the bandage wet with cold water. Sixth, take the advice of a doctor. Sprain. A twist in a joint such as the ankle of wrist can result in a swelling and is called a sprain. In case of sprain, first, do not move the sprained joint. Second, tie an elastic bandage around the joint to keep it from moving. Third, consult a doctor if necessary. Burns from chemicals. First, use plenty of water to wash off the chemical from the affected area. Second, cover the affected area with a sterile cloth or a gauze. Third, if the burn is serious, rush to a doctor. Animal bite. First, insect bite. If someone is stung by a wasp or a bee, remove the sting first. Put ice cubes on the affected area and apply some abscessive cream. Second, dog bite. Dog bite sometimes carry the virus of a very dangerous disease called rabies. In case of dog bite, first wash the wound with soap and water to wash away the germs. Second, bandage with a sterile gauze after gently rubbing an antiseptic lotion or cream on the wound. Third, take the victim to a doctor immediately. Snake bite. A person bitten by a poisonous snake must be rushed to the hospital. A tight bandage can be tied above wound to slow down the spread of the poison in the body. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe.